Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Locksport. Today is a chance to enter another giveaway. Georgia Jim is having a lock and pick giveaway. Now what he's doing, he's offering up a whole selection of locks. They're progressive locks, so they follow the belt system, which is yellow, orange, green and so forth. Belts in Locksport that enable you to strive to progress to the next belt to get better at your lock picking. So he's offering up a series of locks that enable you to progress through that belt system. For the international entrants, he's offering up a gift certificate to Law Lock Tools, because with international postage at the moment, either non-existent or very, very slow, chances of parcels getting lost are high. So to mitigate that, he's offering a gift certificate, which is really generous of you, mate. Greatly appreciate that. So what Georgia Jim wants us to do to enter the giveaway is to pick a lock, be a subscriber, use the hashtag #pick4Jim. So if you want to find all the videos to do with this particular giveaway, hashtag it #pick4Jim and you shall find all the entrants. So I'm going to try and pick this lock that I was unable to pick the last time I entered the giveaway while trying to do a nursery rhyme for Down Under Monkey. So let's lock this up. It's not moving. There we go. Lock it up. So I'll be using my Jason Carlson custom pick, acrylic and wood, absolutely stunning, gorgeous pick. Bottom of the keyway tension tool, homebrew. Here we go. Alright, finally got it. Redemption is here. Excellent, very happy to get that. To go check out Georgia Jim, I'll leave a link in the description below for you to find out where his channel is. Check out all the other entrants into #pick4Jim using that hashtag. Good luck to all the other entrants. Everyone, stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.